Hi, I'm Alex Mebane, and I'm making a movie called Be Sweet. It's the story of a hot-tempered soccer coach who gets kicked out of his daughter's league and decides to dress up like his mother so he can still attend her games. And along the way...
Who are you talking to in there, sweetie?
No one.
I hear you talking to some... Well, what is all this? Is that my good bed sheet?
I'll put it back. I'm making my Kickstarter video. You remember we talked about this, Mom?
Oh, I'd have put on something nicer.
You look fine.
What every woman longs to hear. Well, don't let me interrupt. Go on with your little skit.
Anyway, dressed up like his mother, he ends up coaching his daughter's team again with a slightly different approach.
You talking about your movie?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not one of those comedies that's all nasty and ugly.
Mom, it's a family-friendly soccer movie.
Because I don't care for nasty. I am tired of nasty. You can't go to the movies anymore without people being gross or cursing up a storm.
Mom, it's called Be Sweet.
Be sweet? That's what I say. You stole that. I should call my lawyer. What's Randy's number?
Think of it as an homage to you and the wonderful life lessons you taught me.
Well, now you're just sucking up. Be sweet, huh?
Yes, a dad learns to be sweet. In other words, be kind.
They say the name of the movie should reflect what it's about. I was so disappointed when I saw Life of Pi, not a pastry in the film. Nor was it a light-hearted romp into the world of an irrational number.
We've got some great rewards for folks. Custom Be Sweet cards from Sugar Paper Los Angeles. Hats, t-shirts, the movie poster, all designed by Joel Anderson of Anderson Design Group.
You dragged Joel into this? Haven't you done enough to that poor boy?
Our goal is to make a film that's as fun for a 9-year-old as it is for a 90-year-old.
I know you're not talking about me, but I would like to see something funny on screen that doesn't make me want to toss my cookies.
There are plenty of R-rated comedies, but very few G-rated ones. We'd love for you to help us bring our vision to the screen. We've got a lot of talented folks here in Los Angeles that are working well below their rates.
You know I'm union, and I can pop, lock, and drop it.
Oh, please don't do that again.
The trick is at my age, when you drop it, you gotta be able to pick it back up.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.
You look heavy on camera.
Mom, the camera adds 10 pounds.
Well, how many cameras are they using?
Mom!